Spin-on oil filters are the most common filter type on the road. Screw them on, screw them off, done. But not all spin-on filters are built equal. The media quality, the bypass valve engineering, the anti-drainback design, these details separate a filter that genuinely protects your engine from one that just technically does the job. Today I'm ranking the 7 best spin-on oil filters of 2026, from budget-friendly everyday options all the way up to 20,000-mile synthetic-grade protection. Let's get into it. Starting at number 7, the A Premium Engine Oil Filter. And this one earns its place through one standout quality, the broadest vehicle compatibility on this list. If you drive a Honda, Acura, Nissan, Infiniti, Subaru, Hyundai, Mitsubishi, or Mazda, among many others, the A Premium is likely a direct fit. The compatibility list is genuinely extensive. Honda Accord, Civic, CR-V, Odyssey, Pilot, Ridgeline, and more. Nissan Altima, Frontier, GTR, Pathfinder, Titan, and more. Subaru Forester, Outback, WRX, Ascent, and more. Filtration specs are competitive for the price. 99% filtration efficiency with 10,000 miles of engine protection, covering both conventional and synthetic oil use. For owners of Japanese and Asian market vehicles who want a reliable, correctly spec'd spin-on filter without paying premium brand pricing, the A Premium is a practical, well-supported choice. Number 6, the Fram EG Plus PH3387AP. And as with every Fram pick I cover, I want to address the brand reputation directly before getting into the specs. Fram has carried some legacy criticism from earlier spin-on filter quality issues that circulated widely in automotive communities. The EG Plus is a current-generation filter with engineering that stands on its own merits, and it deserves to be evaluated on what it actually delivers rather than on a reputation that may no longer apply. The filtration media is a proprietary blend of cellulose and glass, not standard cellulose, which provides advanced engine protection across both conventional and synthetic motor oils. It captures 95% of dirt particles while balancing dirt-holding capacity across the full 10,000-mile service interval. The silicone non-drainback valve delivers up to 3 times the hot oil resistance of standard valves, a meaningful specification for engines that see high operating temperatures. For everyday drivers who change oil on schedule and want solid, affordable protection, the Fram EG Plus delivers reliably. Number 5. The PurolatorONE. The sweet spot on this list for drivers running synthetic or synthetic blend oil who want meaningfully better protection than a standard filter without paying for the maximum tier options. The high-density synthetic blend media captures over 99% of dirt with expanded dirt-holding capacity, and the filter is rated for up to 15,000 miles between changes, a significant step beyond the 10,000-mile standard that covers modern synthetic oil service intervals comfortably. The silicone anti-drainback valve maintains oil at the filter between engine cycles, ensuring immediate lubrication on startup, even after the vehicle has been sitting idle for an extended period. Wear-resistant metal end caps and a double-helix high-flow center tube provide structural integrity under harsher conditions without restricting oil circulation. For daily drivers on synthetic oil who want reliable 15,000-mile protection at a fair price, the PurolatorONE is the easy recommendation. Number 4. The PurolatorTECH. And this one fills a specific important gap in the Purolator lineup, a reliable, well-built, everyday spin-on filter for drivers on standard 5,000-mile oil change intervals. The PurolatorTECH is engineered for dependable filtration performance throughout a standard oil change interval, capturing over 96.5% of dirt across the service window. The wear-resistant metal end caps and rugged internal construction provide structural integrity that handles harsh driving conditions, stop-and-go traffic, temperature extremes, and demanding road conditions. The anti-drainback valve prevents dry starts by maintaining consistent oil flow even after the vehicle has been sitting idle, protecting against the brief but disproportionately damaging metal-on-metal contact period that occurs at every cold startup without this feature. For everyday drivers on conventional oil with standard change intervals who want a solidly built, straightforward, no-fuss spin-on filter, the PurolatorTECH is exactly what it needs to be. Number 3. The Mann-Filter. The bypass valve engineering is where Mann consistently stands apart from the competition. Bypass valves with clearly defined opening characteristics and leak-free closing. Precise, consistent behavior that ensures the valve opens at exactly the right pressure differential and seals completely when it should. In cheaper filters, bypass valve behavior can be inconsistent or imprecise, a real concern, because an improperly behaving bypass valve can allow unfiltered oil to reach engine components. Mann's OEM supplier, Precision, eliminates that risk. Efficient separation and high dirt holding capacity with minimal pressure drop are the core performance claims. Effective contaminant removal without restricting the oil flow that lubricates and cools engine components. For European vehicle owners in particular, or anyone who wants the assurance of OEM supplier quality in an aftermarket spin-on filter, Mann is one of the most credible names on this list. Number 2. The Purolator Premium. The original Purolator spin-on filter is a product that earns its position through a combination of solid filtration performance, proven construction, and a price point that makes it accessible to virtually every driver. The Purolator Premium is rated for up to 10,000 miles of premium engine protection with 96.5% dirt removal power. The multi-fiber high-density media is the filtration core, a construction approach that provides reliable particle capture across the full service interval without the cost of full synthetic media. The silicone anti-drainback valve prevents dry starts by maintaining oil at the filter between engine cycles, ensuring immediate lubrication the moment the engine turns over, whether the car has been sitting overnight or for a week. The bypass valve allows for optimum oil flow when pressure differentials require it. For drivers on standard 10,000-mile intervals who want a filter from the company that started it all at a price that makes regular maintenance easy, the Purolator Premium is the reliable choice. And the number 1 best spin-on oil filter of 2026, the Purolator Boss. The Smart Fusion full synthetic media delivers over 99% dirt removal efficiency, the highest on this list, and is rated for up to 20,000 miles of engine protection under demanding conditions. Towing, hauling, off-roading, extended highway runs, the Boss is built to handle all of it without compromising filtration performance across the full interval. The helical design withstands extreme pressure while actively optimizing oil circulation rather than simply not restricting it. For applications where the engine is under sustained load, towing, hauling, or off-road use, that optimized flow delivery is a meaningful performance advantage. Full synthetic media, 20,000-mile rating, double helix center tube, premium sealing, heavy-duty steel casing. From the company that invented automotive oil filtration, the Purolator Boss is the best spin-on oil filter you can buy in 2026. There are your 7 best spin-on oil filters of 2026. Links to all 7 are in the description below. Always verify fitment for your specific vehicle before ordering. If this helped you choose the right spin-on filter, drop a like. It genuinely helps the channel grow. Subscribe for more picks, and I'll see you in the next one.